Cause I'm feeling good right now. I'm feeling my gun it. Good joke. I was about to gun it too. Oh, you gonna cut in front of me, Rivian? Oh, it's a Shorty and a cut in front of me, cut me up. I'm down for it. We'll plash around it. Alright, that Shorty the Rivian can get it. Gun it, Corvette, gun it. Where you want to. Now that girl in that truck though, the Rivian or whatever, yeah, look at her cut up in that hole. She can get it. She gonna get it too if she guns it. Give me a red light, I was gonna say, give me a red light dog. Give me a red light dog. I wanna be nice to you, right? So you be nice to me, you know? Truck to the right, go to the right, go to the right. Truck, you went to the left. Ooh, look at her blaze through this hole. Oh, she's gonna get it, and she's gonna get it dirty too. Red light, red light, red light, come on. Alright, a lot more bikers out. I said, hell yeah. I can see, look, red light, watch. I'm gonna blaze this hole. She gonna blaze, I'm gonna blaze. But I won't even be near you, baby. I'm gonna be right here, dog. Nowhere near you, dog. Fatty don't want to acknowledge me. Fatty don't, he's not gonna get it. He's gonna blaze it, but he's not gonna get it. Big it in the X, big it in the yeah. I like this couple, I don't know why, but after I saw that calf tattoo, then I take it back. I do not like that couple anymore. Place. I got distracted. I'm not gonna lie, I got distracted with that girl with that calf tattoo. I got distracted. That's why I didn't gut it off the thing, because I got distracted. I don't know why. What happened? I got distracted. ADHD kicked in. I got distracted. When we pulled up next to her and then we gunned it. Oh, we're in sport mode, by the way. God damn, why do I get distracted? She even looked back at me when I was, when I didn't gun it off the line. I don't know why I didn't do it. Oh my God, moments like that, I'm never gonna forget it. God, I'm never gonna forget moments like that. Why didn't I gun it? Homie shirtless with a flapping tits. Why didn't I gun it? Why didn't I gun it? Why didn't I gun it? We're gonna leave it away from her, but still, like, why didn't I gun it? It's okay, it is what it is. We still went up to her, and then she was gunning it even before I got to her. And then I respectfully, when I was next to her, is when I actually vroom the throttle. For the next. Hit her with the flex, begging for the flex. Why didn't I do it? 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 I said first day back, right? That's why I didn't do it. But did you hear? Rolls Royce. Did you hear Broly scream though? Oh! Oh! God damn, did you hear her scream though? That's sport mode. She didn't even go Super Saiyan God on him, man. Oh my gosh, she in sport mode and she did that. I think that Rivian, whatever that truck is electric, by the way. Also, I'm not ready to go against the hobo. I can throw down hands with the hobo, but I'm just saying, like, to go off of the line off-rib 0 right now and make a sex tape with an electric car, like I say, a Tesla pulled up or something, or that, what is it, Pokemon Sunday, or that, not Pokemon, Porsche Tucson, Cayman, Tuscan, Tierra, what is it called? The electric one, the hybrid one, Porsche Taycan, right? Taycan? I don't know, teacup, whatever, Porsche teacup. If that pulled up and wanted to clown, I would get smoked, unless we did it off of, like, say, second gear, like, I don't know, going like 30 or something like that, and then up to the speed limit, of course, but like 20 or something like that, and then we gunned it. I wouldn't be able to, I would get so destroyed right now. And like the sex tape would just be Broly getting raw dogged. And usually Broly's the one raw dogging, but it would get raw dogged. So yeah, we're not at that. I need more time to get back into it. First time running after that car right there, that one right there. The Porsche teacup, Taycan. Moped. I'm sorry, he's making deliveries, but he's delivering food. He don't know the etiquette. Nor is there an etiquette with motorcycles and mopeds. There's not. So yeah. Oh, my bad, Broly. She's screaming. She wants to take it easy. All right, girl. No need. When I saw that mural too, I was like, I should come around on a bike, open my visor, and spit on it. I don't know why, but Shorty hit him with the flick. She be begging for the next. She said she no dyke, but she gon' dyke today. Monsters in my closet, no more closet space. It's curtains for these homies. I feel like some drapes. Turned up, burnt up, microwave. I don't know. How does that song start? I can't remember how it starts. If I know how it starts, then I can rap it. I just can't remember how it starts. Feel some type of way. Feel some type of way. I can't remember how it starts. Like, we can't switch lanes because the car's coming up. There's a reason to everything. There's a Murcielago. It's the same Murcielago. The dude lives over here somewhere. Yep. Old dude on Murcielago with his white-haired old ass wife, or maybe that's kind of stuff he's trying to pick up, you know, on Tinder. But either way, you see, there's a biker behind me, but I want to swap in this lane. There's enough room, but I didn't go into the middle of the lane. I went to the left part of the lane, so if he comes, he can easily still do his thing. Gucci gang. Mother effer, you gotta come into my lane. Like, see, this Tesla could probably easily smoke the hell out of me right now. Pretty much anything can smoke the hell out of me. And that Rivian chick, girl, you can get it, and I think you won that too, because I just didn't show out. I didn't show up, nor did I show out. Yeah, I came to it after, but that doesn't even count anymore because she gunned it and I got distracted. I don't know how I got distracted. I think it was because that girl's calf tattoo. It was so gross that I just got distracted. And I feel it in my soul right now, and it still hurts. But like a heartache. Not painful, just like a heartache. Which heartaches are painful, but like not that kind of painful. What's the lane split? I don't really care. I don't even know what time it is. This clock is wrong. The 35 part is right, the 3 part is wrong. It's either 2:45, or it's not 3, or it's 4:45. So it's one of those. I don't know. Again, it's been so long since I've ridden, so I can't really tell you. That dude in that convertible was wearing a Santa cap. Homie had that thing glued on like a wig, because he's in a convertible. How else is that thing staying up?